Welcome to the channel. Okay, it's very weird, but someone has to do it. I'm not the first, of course, but I couldn't find much about it. And that's understandable, because it's a ridiculous wish to want to use a lens intended for a large format camera on a Sony A7 full-frame camera. So it is possible, but the distance from the lens to the sensor is enormous. The light has to go through the long tunnel, and therefore a lot of light is lost. The result is that high ISO values are needed to be able to shoot out of hand. Stopping down is impossible, because then you go through the ceiling of your maximum ISO value on my camera. The high ISO values cause a lot of noise, which can no longer be corrected in post. Yes. So again, wanting to do a trick for which a lens is not made at all. Couldn't achieve much sharpness, and the whole set was tough to work with. I learned a lot, and it was fun working on this project.